Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.